heading its way towards the Atlantic is developing and heading towards us. It's already bringing rain into parts of Ireland and Northern Ireland, but it's out behind it that we've got to watch this next area of low pressure. If I just run that sequence again, you can see this vicious storm system heading across the Atlantic towards us after the one that's with us for today. So we've got two areas of low pressure, very deep. It means we're going to find gale force or even severe gale force winds for the first part of the week. So let's take a look at today's one first of all then. You can see those tightly packed isobars there indicating that it is going to be windy. Already this morning we've seen those winds picking up in the west and the rain beginning to move its way in. And I think we'll find gale force winds by the time we get through to the end of the lunchtime period. The rain staying mainly in western areas until this afternoon, when it will eventually head across into central areas of England and Wales and Scotland, leaving just the eastern side of the mainland dry but rather cloudy, certainly maybe just a bit of hazy sunshine left in the far southeast. The top temperatures today around 14 to 17 degrees, but of course in those freshening winds it will feel much cooler than that. And then overnight tonight, that band of rain will slip away eastwards into the North Sea, but those winds will still remain strong. They'll change direction, becoming northwesterly, but they'll still be there right the way through tonight, and that means temperatures won't be low, around 7 to 11 degrees at the very lowest, I think. And then for Monday, we find that next system coming in from the west. You can see those even tightly packed isobars, and that indicates that it will be severe gale force winds for quite a few areas. Into Tuesday, we find that weather front stuck across the United Kingdom. It's going to be waving around for the rest of the week, and that means we're going to find spells of wet weather right the way through until Friday. So for Monday morning, the first area of rain still left on that eastern side. Many other areas turning brighter and drier with some showers, but still those very strong gale force northwesterly winds. By the afternoon, they should die down, but it'll still be windy for many areas. And I think out to the west, we will find the gales picking up from a southerly direction by the end of the afternoon. And that heralds the start of some more wet weather coming into the west. Now for Tuesday, that wet weather is across many areas then for the day, pushing its way gradually southeastwards. It may not make it into southeast England before the end of the day, so it may stay dry there, but elsewhere a wet day in store, and again a windy one with gale force winds. Beyond Tuesday then, that waving front is going to stay with us for Wednesday as well, eventually I think heading away through Thursday. So for Wednesday, again, a wet day, some gale force winds, but gradually brightening up from the northwest with one or two showers. Into Thursday, the rain, though, starts coming back from the southwest, so I think by then Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England will have the drier and